The excitement in the tech community has reached fever pitch as we edge closer to the release of the much-awaited M4 MacBook Pro. Apple enthusiasts and tech geeks everywhere are eagerly anticipating what is set to be the most powerful and feature-rich MacBook Pro in Apple's history. With leaks, insider reports, and increasing speculation swirling, there's much to unravel. In this deep dive, we'll explore the latest confirmed leaks, rumored specifications, potential features, and how the M4 MacBook Pro could redefine the laptop market. The M4 MacBook Pro isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's poised to be a massive leap forward in terms of performance, design, and user experience. With Apple's silicon strategy taking center stage, the M4 chip is the next step in this innovative journey. Rumors suggest that the M4 chip will introduce a groundbreaking new architecture. The chip is expected to feature increased core counts, likely moving from an 8-core or 10-core CPU in the M2 to potentially 12-core or 14-core configurations in the M4. The GPU is also likely to see significant upgrades, potentially doubling in performance compared to previous models. This kind of power will appeal directly to content creators, video editors, and professionals who require extensive computing power for tasks like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and multitasking. Leaks suggest that the M4 GPU could be equipped with up to 16 or even 24 cores designed to handle intensive tasks such as high-end 3D rendering, gaming, and content creation. With this enhanced GPU architecture, professionals working with tools like Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, and other design software can expect even faster render times and more fluid performance. While the internal components are essential, Apple's design philosophy has always stood out, and the M4 MacBook Pro is likely to follow this tradition with a refined chassis. Early leaks and reports suggest that Apple might introduce a new aluminum body that's lighter yet more durable than previous generations. Rumor has it that Apple will introduce an even better Retina display with higher brightness, better color accuracy, and mini LED technology. For creators and professionals who rely on color precision, like photographers and graphic designers, these upgrades will be game-changing. Another expected enhancement is the ProMotion technology, which could deliver refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. This will make interactions smoother, particularly when scrolling through web pages, editing high frame rate video, or gaming, combined with the rumored improvements to battery life. Thanks to the energy efficiency of the M4 chip, users could see up to 20 hours of use on a single charge, a massive upgrade for anyone needing long-lasting performance throughout the day. With improved performance per watt, the M4 chip should provide a significant boost in battery life, potentially offering up to 20 hours of usage on a single charge. Subscribe, like, and share.